Hi, and welcome to Yarnit. Today, we're going to explore how you can generate ideas using the Yarnit app. The first method is through the Ask Yarnit feature, which you'll find right on the homepage. It's really simple to use. Just type in your question. Make sure to keep it straightforward. For example, you could ask, give me 10 blog ideas on the topic of agentic AI in marketing. Perform a comprehensive keyword and search analysis to find out. Once you submit your query, Ask Yarnit gets to work. The app will first assess your brand's positioning. Then, it will access keyword data and perform a thorough analysis, ensuring you base your ideation on data-driven insights. You'll receive a comprehensive content plan tailored to your needs. You'll notice that Yarnit provides a fully SEO-optimized title, heading, and outline for each suggested blog. The recommendations cover a wide array of ideas. These ideas are drawn from across the internet, offering insights into popular discussions, your potential talking points, and your competitors' content, all aligned with your brand positioning. Each suggestion includes a detailed outline of key points for every section. Besides a straightforward query focused on SEO, you can upload your company documents or branding materials and request blog ideas based on them. Alternatively, you can select from the Brand Hub, choosing a specific customer profile for targeted content. You can also leverage your knowledge base as a resource to generate additional ideas. This is just one approach. Let's move on to another method, which involves using the Idea Generator app. To access it, head over to the Apps page on the left pane. Under Ideation and Planning, you'll find the Content Ideas app. Within, there are 5 distinct tabs: News, Events, Keyword Reference, and Lifestyle. The News tab lets you select from various news genres and geographies, such as business news from India. Simply click the Generate button, select the blog option, and you can even add specific writing instructions. In the Events tab, you can create tailored content or social media posts related to global events. For keyword-driven ideas, use the Keyword tab to input your researched keywords and generate content based on them. You can include a document, text, or web page as a reference for idea generation. If you're feeling creative, the freestyle option is also available. Let's revisit the News tab as an example. Suppose we're discussing Instagram spinning off Reels into a separate app. Click on Blog, then Generate, and you'll see you can come up with up to 5 blog ideas in one go. Tailor these with your instructions for a more refined outcome. Each idea generated includes a description. If you find an idea intriguing and want to develop it further, simply click the Create Post button. This action takes you to the editor to flesh out your content. And that's how the ideation process works on Yarnit. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!